Hello everyone in the cluster team meeting. Today is June 2nd, and before starting the moving to the agenda, some meeting etiquettes. This project is following CNCF code of conduct, which means respecting each other and helping each other. If you want to add your name in the attendees list, you can do that. Okay, moving to the agenda, status update from the CI team. I think Ira updated in the thread. There is no major update from the CI team. Everything is, sorry, comms team. CI team, you can update the status.
Yeah, so this week the test grid is looking a little bit red. There are two different issues that are causing failing tests. But both of those have hopefully by next week the CI will be green again. But luckily we don't have releases coming up this week, so there is time to fix those issues.
Thank you, Papi. I think I did saw that they have opened a PR for this, I guess. Yeah. For the failures for 1.3 and main 1.13.
Yes,
Yes. Okay.
the issue that Stefan was reporting today, that fix has actually already merged, and they're still running tests on the other one. So hopefully, already tomorrow the second issue is gone.
Okay. Thank you, Papi. Yeah, from comms team, there is like everything is good. We'll move to the task. Yes. This one was completed last week, so the PR is merged for this deprecated code, so I have marked it closed. Other than that, we don't have any task to this week. Okay. Security scan, I think it's green, so we are good there. We'll move to improvement board. I don't see any new issues added to the board. We are adding, right, Papi? The new issues,
Um,
CI issue we are creating, we are attaching to this board, right?
Yeah, I tried adding them to the board a few days ago. I used the little plus sign on the bottom, and I chose all the issues that are missing from the list, and pressed submit, and they just didn't appear on this list. And now when I try to see if I can add them again, I don't see them on the list. So I don't know. It's
Okay, I think I'll try it out, adding the issue,
yeah, thank
Papi.
you.
I'll check what all issues are created. I think they might be marked flaky, right, with the label. So
Yes,
I'll search
all
it out.
the
Okay.
issues are flaky or failing.
Okay, okay. Okay, I'll check and I'll just try to add it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah. I think that's all from the agenda. Any question? Anyone having any ideas? I will be moving to the KT session. So if anyone having any question before that, we can take it. Okay, I'll take it as a no. Okay, I think I'll continue the KT session. So whenever we'll have a release, so what all things we are doing, what all steps we are following, um, from a release lead side or release lead shadow is doing. Um, We have this role handbook. So here we have documented all the steps, whatever we are performing. So I can explain all the steps. So first we check these three things. We don't have any open PR for the release. Um, we don't see anything, so we are good. We check the weekly security scan. We check the test grid. Test grid is green. So then we give a go ahead for the release. Then after that, the communication lead or shadow lead is going to create notes PR. So I think Ira will plan for that, how she is doing the um, these release notes PR, how she is creating. This is also, I think, documented. You can go through it, but she'll also giving the KT, I think, for this. So I'll just skip this. We'll move what next. Once this release note PR is created, we will wait for merging this PR. So once it is merged, it what it does, we wait for this another it actually trigger this image push job, pro job. So we'll wait for this job to be completed. So once this job is completed, then we start the next process or next step. So once that is completed, what we'll do, we'll create a PR. So what we need to do, you have to generate your personal access token on the GitHub, and you have to clone the repo, your cluster API, this Capi repo. You have to clone it in your local, and then in the terminal you have to open it and you have to export these variables, these two variables, the tag for which you are going to cut a release. Let's say today the release is planned like for 1.13.2 or 3. So that tag you have to export it, and then your GitHub token you have to export, and you have to run the command make promote images. In the Capi repo you have to go, and in that you have to do it. So it will promote these. What it does, it opens a PR on this K8's. This is a repository where it will, just a second. So K8's repo, before doing it, I think you can create a clone of this or fork of this actually. So I have created a fork for my this one. So it will open a PR on this. So I can show you the PR that are there, earlier PRs. Okay. Yeah. Uh, for 1.13. Yeah. So it will open a PR like this. And what you need to verify in this, there will be four SHAs for the images we added for the cluster API controller, for the cluster CTL, for kubeadmin bootstrap controller, and for kubeadmin control plane controller. Four images will be added. So after that, you need to verify the SHA. So if you see my comment, I have added a comment. I verify the SHAs. So this value you need to, SHA value you need to verify. And what you need to do with this value, you need to go into the staging repository, and you need to compare the SHAs for all the four images. So like this E53DF, if you see, this is matching with the whatever we have, right? So that's what I add the comment and verify it. After that, normally what I do is, I think these PRs are already, sometime it's already approved, or I have to approach to the maintainers for this PR, that PRs are open, please take a look. So once they give a looks good to me label, then the PRs are merged. after some checks are run on the PR, and then it gets merged. Once it is merged, see, merge the PR or hold, it will run another this promoting these images to production. So this job, so we have to wait for this job, pro job, to complete. So once it is completed, we need to perform this step. So that means these images, all four images are promoted to production. So we can try to pull. So in my terminal, I try to do this Docker pull command with the release tag that we had. So if it's successful, then we give a go ahead to this publish release. Usually, maintainer is doing it. So we have a Slack thread created. So in that Slack thread, we say that we are good to promote the images. I can give you the example also. Yeah, like last time we did it. We did give a for all those three parameters, and then release node PR got created by Ira, and then yeah, these are the PRs. All got merged, and then we have this um yeah, here I think, yes. Docker pull image completed. We are ready to publish all the releases. So then Stefan or someone from the maintainer will be doing that publish release step, and then we are good. So that's the release process. So everything is documented here. We just follow all the steps referred here. Yeah. Anyone having any doubt? Okay, I'll take it as a no. Yeah, I think we are good to close the call then. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ashad, for the Katie. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you
Thank
also
you.
for the walkthrough.
Yeah.
Thank you
Bye.
for showing us.
Yeah.
Bye.